I'm reviewing ThinkGizmos Remote Control Excavator. Now the remote control you do not need to turn on, it'll automatically be on, but the excavator you turn on right back here. It took me a while to find it. And it'll start lighting up. To go forward, you're going to need to push both joysticks. Otherwise, you're turning. And to activate the arm, you can push either one of these. They do the same thing. Activating the arm is easy. You can use either one of the top buttons because they do the same thing. You can turn without driving. Now, if you want to scoop something up, I recommend doing it in a bowl. If you look closely, there's actually not wheels that are driving it, but it's actually on the treads. Another RC that we had similar to this actually had wheels underneath it, so the tracks were just decoration. I think for really young kids, it may be a little difficult for them to understand that they can't just push one joystick to make it go forward. But anything that's, anyone that's like 5 or 6 years old or older can definitely get the hang of it. I have a 6 and a 7-year-old who can do it very well. The controller has a speaker on it.
Hi kids, let's play together.
I hope that this gives you a better idea of their product. Thank you very much for watching and have a good day.